you don't have direction. You got weak habits. No structure, no routine, no standards. So your days repeat themselves. Wake up, scroll, do the minimum, repeat. But that's not life. That's survival. And survival destroys man. Because when there is no structure, there is no discipline. And when there is no discipline, there is no control. And without control, you lose yourself. Because structure creates discipline, and discipline creates freedom. So remove structure, and now you feel stuck. Fix that. Build structure, and everything start to move again. This is Reset 40 Plus. Follow Reset and start living like a man with direction.